Welcome to today's webinar about the journey to the OpenText cloud. Today we hope to get you excited in migrating your on-premise workloads to a/the cloud solution. In doing so, we will also inform you about the different challenges we may encounter along the way, and the lessons we have learned in the past when engaging into an OpenText cloud migration. As detailed, joining me today is Stefan, who will now explain what the OpenText cloud is all about. Kind sir, if you will.
Thank you, Serge. I want to tell you something about the OpenText cloud in general. The OpenText cloud is a managed service that covers everything from the infrastructure to the OS and the OpenText applications running on it in accordance with our own best practices. These best practices are in configuration, operations, and performance to a secure deployment accessible from anywhere in the world in a data center under control of OpenText. If we talk about the OpenText cloud, it does not necessarily mean that we're going to be deploying it in our own data centers. It can also be we're deploying it in a hyperscaler of your choice, but it will be our tenant and we will manage everything. So security, operating system, everything will be under control by best practices of OpenText. OpenText has 4 different cloud destinations. The first destination is the customer cloud, which is just a fancy way of we're going to be selling you a license. So you can deploy it in your own data center, you can deploy it in your own hyperscalers. And if you want, we can offer you our managed service on top of it. But you as the customer are responsible for the infrastructure. The second destination is the managed cloud. The managed cloud means we're going to offering you our cloud edition software and our managed service on top of it. We offer you this with an application level SLA. So OpenText will be responsible for the infrastructure, the security, and everything. And together with this, we're going to offer you the SLA. The destination where we're going to deploying your solution is something we're going to figure out together with you. If there are some requirements to go in our own data centers, then we'll do this. If there are some special hyperscaler requirements, we're going to go to the different hyperscalers. The third destination that we have is our software as a service solutions. They are our multi-tenant solutions like Core Archive, where we can just use the multi-tenancy of it to have it more efficient, save money. These are deployed on in our own data centers or Google or AWS. And that's something that we cannot change easily because they are multi-tenant solutions and we use for everything. And the fourth destination is our microservices. I think one of the best examples for this is our OCR service Core Capture, which you can just reach via an API. It's deployed in our own data center and you can access it. And these are the 4 destinations that we currently offer. It doesn't mean that you have to choose one of these destinations, but some of our solutions take care of our destinations 2 to 4. It really depends what are your needs. And we need to take a look at exactly what you need to figure out the best way for you. Next slide. In general, the question is, why cloud? And the reason is, cloud is the destination for innovation. You can do a lot of stuff in on-premise data centers or yourself with customizations. But that's also a problem for the future. If you've got a highly customized environment, and if there are coming upgrades and you need to update something, then there is always the problem with how can you get it back to standard to be able to update. And if you migrate into the cloud, you will always have the latest features. Our cloud editions consist of quarterly updates. We guarantee you the availability for the application level. Your own operational IT costs will be reduced. The TCO of your product will be reduced. And the best part is your own resources, your own personal and everything, you can refocus to something to create value instead of just maintaining applications. The migrate part is one part, but we also need to modernize everything. With being on the cloud, it also means you've got a global reach. It doesn't matter where your personal is located in the country, in the world, you can always reach them. Also with virtualization and containerization, we always have the agility and we are able to scale everything. That helps with being able to plan. You can start slow and get higher with the timing, depending on what you really need. Your research and development budget can be increased because you can reinforce resources. And of course, it's easier to integrate and everything because we have the APIs and we've got also the standardized integrations already. With all of these benefits, the best benefit is the whole volume, the pace of innovation and transformation will be increased with being standardized on our cloud. But what exactly are our OpenText Cloud Editions? OpenText Cloud Editions are just our standardized, containerized versions of our products. And they help you with connecting your business applications, your productivity suites, to all the different applications that you're using. For example, you can connect it to your SAP applications, to the different cloud platforms, Salesforce, and Office 365. And that's also mostly possible through either standardized enablers that we have, or just the APIs that we offer. I already told something about what exactly is part of our managed service, but I want to go into a bit more detail here. For example, I told you we manage the infrastructure, the security, the OS, and of course the application. But what exactly is included in there? So for infrastructure management, for example, everything needed to run the application is included. Like we manage the network, the security, storage, connectivity, everything you can imagine, everything you need. We will define together with you and manage it for you. But we will also manage the applications and the platform. So we will install the applications, we will update them, but we will also manage the platform, so databases, and have the authentication directly mapped to your Active Directory. And most importantly, we will have the support. We will manage the support, every ticket, every problem that could arise, we will help you fix. So not only will OpenText be the ones developing your solution, but we will also manage it, and if any problems arise, we will help you fix it. And now I'm going to hand over back to Serge.
A migration to the cloud will not be smooth. It will not be easy, and it will be challenging. But we have learned from these challenges and are able to identify and mitigate them. Things for you to consider in your cloud journey are the following. And please don't see this as an all-inclusive list. These are just some of the low-hanging ones. Integrations with other applications, existing customizations, impact on existing processes, not only those business processes, but also changes to things like support and underpinning processes. Then, of course, we cannot forget about security, for both accessing and securing systems from the outside, as well as securing the data from any internal misuse. And let's not forget asking the question, why move at all? That would all be about overcoming the hurdle of not doing anything and the dangers it possesses. We spend a great deal of time in helping overcome these challenges by tailoring our offerings to meet specific customer needs. But we also make sure that we are there to help you with the journey, alongside you. We have, for example, developed a cloud readiness study that helps analyze the gaps and challenges that need to be overcome in order to move successfully into the cloud. As I've highlighted earlier, we have built a holistic cloud portfolio where every component plays its part in order to make you successful. In the top right, we have our Cloud Edition solutions that offer all the benefits of cloud even on-prem and can be run anywhere as cloud-native software. Think of solutions like Extended ECM, Documentum, or even AppWorks. If we move to the bottom left, you will see our cloud-based APIs or microservices, which are designed to provide you with ready-to-use functional blocks to quickly set up and integrate existing solutions with cloud-based services, such as a signature solution or a capture solution. Make sure to check out our other pre-recorded webinars specifically around this topic. If we then move to the right, you will see our options to extend your existing cloud or on-prem deployment with our standard SaaS-based applications, such as sync and share or case management solutions that can be quickly deployed either standalone or in conjunction with an existing platform. And last but not least, our managed services, which are there to help you in maintaining, developing, and caretaking the overall system so you can focus on running your business. If we bring the 4 blocks together from the previous slides, this is how it looks. At the heart, we see our cloud-native platform that offers great flexibility in terms of implementation, use case support, and deployment. If we go up 1 layer, you will see our different cloud-native services and SaaS applications that can be used either standalone or in an extension to your existing platform. And lastly, we have the flexibility to integrate with or deploy the large hyperscalers, being SAP, AWS, GCP, or Azure. Aside from having the solutions focused on a cloud-based deployment, we've also put a great deal of effort into the other challenges that may arise, from left to right. Integrations. Integrating new solutions into an existing landscape can be cumbersome and take a lot of time. At the same time, carving out existing integrations or replacing them with other apps is just as cumbersome. We have therefore standardized all our APIs as much as possible and pre-built integrations with leading cloud applications such as Microsoft 365 or SAP. We also offer a range of standard services and APIs that keep on running, which are updated automatically without interference or breaks. Moving to customization. As the cloud solutions are designed to stick to the standards, existing customizations need to be taken care of and may need to be replaced. In order to successfully do this, we offer a cloud readiness assessment or cloud readiness study to determine what customizations can be addressed with today's products and what services can be used to expand applications with low-code, APIs, and SDKs. We offer SaaS solutions for standard business processes such as signature requests or content approval flows, which can be run completely self-service. For more complex business process support, we offer flexible managed services for customized applications that are central to your business. In order to support the transition to the cloud, we offer tailored tools and services to move your data, and we can at the same time provide content assessment enrichment while migrating to the cloud, helping you start with a clean slate. In order to keep things in order for providing federal compliance solutions that help you keep your data in track across multiple silos. Then last but not least, the security challenges. We've made sure that application and deployment architecture designed for the highest level of security, availability, and performance. This also applies to our cloud policies and procedures. What we offer as a vital instrument of our cloud service portfolio is a cloud service delivery manager that helps you succeed in your journey, but more importantly, in the cloud. The service delivery manager is your single contact to help onboard and adapt your existing on-premise solution into a successful cloud one. So, I believe this concludes this part of the show, or the movie, or the experience. If you are considering a move to the cloud, don't stay with your questions. Come ask us. Write us an email or pick up the phone. Open up a Teams call. It doesn't matter. We're there for you. Thank you for your time.
Grow with OpenText, the ultimate cloud.